There has been some suggestion that Heller would allow this regulation. I would point out that I am not unfamiliar with the Heller case. Indeed, I represented 31 states before the U.S. Supreme Court in the Heller case. So I have an intimate familiarity with that case, having been an active part of litigating it and winning 5-4 before the Supreme Court. And what the Supreme Court said in Heller, it did say there are some restrictions on the Second Amendment that are permissible. And for example, it specifically identified the current prohibition on fully automatic machine guns. But it also said that weapons that are in common use, such as in that case handguns, were the principal issue being discussed. And the same arguments that have been suggested here about why so-called assault weapons can be banned were made by the District of Columbia and Heller for why handguns could be banned. And the Supreme Court said, no, if they're in common use for self-defense, they cannot be banned consistent with the Second Amendment. We have heard testimony that there are some 4 million weapons that would be covered by this bill. I would suggest on any measure, 4 million weapons qualifies as in common use, and so under the terms of Heller, they cannot constitutionally be prohibited.